Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you you remember this pattern. This is my one row repeat easy baby blanket pattern. You can see its link here. You liked it and I want to change it to triangle form. This is a triangle shawl form, same pattern, only one row repeating. Again, it's reversible. It has a little effect. I hope you like it too. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. I use here size 4 yarn. It's one ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 200 meters nearly. 180, 200. It's close, it's yards, as same as 160, 80 yards. And I use here 6mm hook. You can choose your hook more bigger than your yarn. Okay, so it gets this touchness, this softness gets from the big number hook. If my video comes so speedy, please click here and slow me down, and you can translate my video again. Click here and translate which language you want. If you're ready, we can start crochet our so simple one row repeat triangle shawl pattern. Let's start crochet. First of all, it's so simple. Make a circle, make a magic ring, like that. Grab my yarn. I made a hole here. Chain 1 and not count. Insert that hole, grab my yarn. I have 2 loops. Pull through together and make a single crochet. Yarn over, insert the same hole, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, made a double crochet. Then in the same space I insert, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through all together, make a single crochet. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole. Take these yarns, both of them, chain 1 and not count. We finish the first row with single crochet. We make our increases from the first and the last stitch. So turn my work. I finished the row with single. I will start the row with double crochet, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, back loop only. Grab my yarn, pull through 2 here, pull through 2, make double crochet, and insert into the same first stitch and make single crochet. Make my increases. Then next stitch, previous row second stitch is double crochet, so I insert the back loop, grab my yarn and make single crochet. I come to last stitch, insert the back loop, last stitch is single crochet I made, but I need to increase that. I make a double crochet into the same stitch. We finished row with double crochet, so we need to start the next row with single crochet. Don't forget, chain 1 and not count, turn your work. We finished double, we start with single crochet. In the first stitch, insert the back loop, make single crochet, yarn over and make in the same first stitch double crochet. We made our increases. Then next stitch single crochet, insert the back loop, make single. Next stitch double crochet, insert the back loop, make double. Next stitch single, insert the back loop, make single. Come to the last stitch, insert your hook back loop. Your last stitch is double crochet, make your double crochet in back loop, but you have to make your increase. Make one more stitch single crochet. You know that you finish the row single, so you make your increase with double and single in the same first stitch. Chain one, I finish with single crochet, turn my work, insert into the first stitch back loop, make double crochet and make single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch double, next stitch single, make a single on single, make a double on double, make a single on single, make a double on double. Last stitch I come, make a single on single, but I need to increase, so make one more stitch double crochet on the last stitch. I finished the row with double crochet, so chain one, not count, and turn my work. I need to start with single crochet in the first stitch, my first stitch double crochet, and make one double crochet in the same stitch and make my increase. I make 2 stitch on the first, 2 stitch on the last. Then make a stitch which I see previous row. I see here single crochet, using back loop make single. I see double, make double. I see single, make single. I see double, make double. Single, double, single. Come to the last one, make here, here. I hope I will find the back loop. Yes, here. Make double, but I need to increase, make one more stitch single crochet on the last stitch. We will make 2 stitch from the first and the last stitch. You start the new increasing stitch opposite. We finish with single, so we need to start double. Yarn over, insert the first stitch back loop, make double crochet, and this is single crochet, so make on stitch, make single crochet. I make the increase the opposite stitch, then make here see double crochet, make double, then make single, double on double, single on single, double on double, single on single, double, single, double. When you come to last stitch, make your single crochet and make your increase with double. That's it. Then chain one and not count. You finish with double, turn your work and start with single crochet, then make one more stitch in the first stitch, single and double, then single on single, double on double. Make your increases from the first and the last stitch. You will keep crochet as same as which length you want. If you want to make a caul, between the caul and the triangle shawl, you need 110 centimeter nearly. If you want to make a big triangle shawl, you need minimum 160 centimeter. That's it. It's so simple and beautiful. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.